Hello guys, good evening in Timor Leste and good afternoon in Indonesia.
Yeah, good afternoon, Mickey.
Afternoon.
Maybe but Alqi, you have any idea like suddenly like my laptop was like I lost all of my data in my laptop. Maybe something is wrong with my laptop like that.
Maybe you have a lot of storage in your laptop.
We're going to talk and we're going to share about data overloads and data storage.
Okay, me.
Are you ready to share with me about your experience about regarding to data storage and data overload, guys?
Yeah.
So like Ban Alki is too much ready. Okay, Ban Alki, can you tell me your understanding, like tell me your experience, like you want your opinion about what is data storage?
Okay, Mickey, thank you very much. Before from me, data storage is like what type of where and how hardware or software holds, delete, backup, organize, and secure information. This include keeping data in temporary or permanent storage. For example, data can be stored on premise in server farms.
What I got you that data storage is the place how we can secure, how we can save our data.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, Gail, can you tell me about what is data overload?
Okay, Mick, for my experience, overload data is a problem from the system of data that happen because have a problem in the storage data management. That's what I know. One, data management is also have a problem from the cause of overload of data.
You mean that data overload is the problem that occur in our storage and can make we can make we lose our data. Is this true or not?
Yes, something like that.
Okay, thank you. Nanza, can you tell me about why data storage is most important?
Okay, thank you, Mickey. In my opinion, data storage is important because data storage is a key component of a successful business. So you need to store all the files you're currently possessing in accounts payable, expense reporting, and other departments somewhere you won't lose them. Like written policies, budgeting records, and other frequently used files have to stay easily accessible. That's all.
It means that we have a lot of data. Every day we have a lot of data. Our picture, our video is they also one of our data. So we have to conserve them. So Ban Arkin,
Okay, Mickey.
can
What else?
can you mention about like type of data storage?
Okay. From me, from my insight is there is a have four type of data storage. You know, it's only four.
Yes.
Yeah, the first is like primary storage. Second is secondary storage, and third is external storage device, and fourth is cold storage.
Okay, I got that. Like we have a lot of type of data storage. So my mean like maybe for like for tomorrow I'm going to save my data to other storage. This means I'm
Yes.
going to save like include or hard disk. So when I love my data in my laptop or in my smartphone, but I still have in other storage. Nanza, can you share it to me, like how we can overcome the data
Yeah, sure.
overload?
Yes. I can answer the question. So, in my opinion, and how to overcome data overload, there are three steps. Three steps. The first one is to identify the information. It is very important to know where the data is coming from. You may get it from a lot of individuals, and hence it becomes too much to keep a track on. Creating your own filtering process will help you make sure what information is where Determine which information is most vital for your business and focus on that. The second step is to review and update the data. To make important decisions for any growing business, their data process needs to be static. You must review the data distribution system to make sure only the relevant data reaches the right hands. It will be a big loss if you miss out on the opportunities because you ignore your business growth by defining new processes with old priorities. And the last step is to develop a distribution system. Developing effective methods of communicating the important information to decision makers is as important as the data is important to your business.
I think after this podcast, I will contact you to help me how to getting back my data because I have lost of all of my data in my laptop. Hopefully that I can getting back all of my data. Oh, this is more important for my final thesis. Please help me, Nanza, after this podcast. But Alki, like, can you share us about the solution for data overload?
Okay, for the solution that is first, use SON technology whose impact on network capacity is very high. Second solution is traffic throttling on the core network through the policy charging rules function. The third solution is Wi-Fi offload, which is tricky to summarize quickly because it depends on the definition and scale of the Wi-Fi offload, Mickey. Example like subscribe can be offloaded to a available Wi-Fi network with seamless authentication, where police can determine when and under which is condition to offload a device to Wi-Fi. That's Mickey solution.
Ah, okay. Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank
Thank you very much,
you.
Ban Alki. Thank you very much, Geo. Thank you very much, Nanza, for your brilliant idea, for your brilliant opinion,
Thank you
for
too,
your
Mickey.
beautiful uh, understanding for data storage and data overload.